Unfortunately, I crashed my DJI Mini 5 Pro while filming Easter activities for my church. And on this particular video, I want to show you the do-it-yourself method I used to fix the arm that was broken. Number one, I didn't buy any parts. Number two, all the screwdrivers and all the tools that were needed to do the fixing, I was able to find a way around that without having to incur any expenses on that.
So let's take this particular broken Mini 5 Pro from this to this. And then to do that, we are going to that particular phone repair shop. And those are the drones we're going to be working on. This is Mini 4 Pro. This is the Mini 5 Pro. Mini 5 Pro is the broken one. And that is the one that the arm is dangling like this. And we're going to get the parts from this particular Mini 4 Pro to fix that particular broken Mini 5 Pro. We need this particular screwdriver. This is the Torx T5 screwdriver. I had to come to this shop for this. So we need to unscrew the arms. Do everything here carefully, and after we have done unscrewing, we need to remove the arm from the axis. Just pull it gently without, so I don't spoil anything. And once we have succeeded in removing the arms, we need to remove this particular 3 screws here to be able to remove that part that we need. So remove the screws gently, and this is actually the part that we need. It is the arm axis. I'm going to include the product link on the description. And then we need to remove the screws from the Mini 5 Pro so that we will remove the part that is broken. These are the pieces of the broken arm. So let's also remove the screws from this side because there's another part that is there. So this is the triangle part of the arm that is broken. Take note of this because the design is important in installing it. Next, let's remove this particular broken part here that is inside here. I thought that this particular clip something is going to work, but it didn't. So I had to use the same screwdriver to prime it out. So this is the broken piece that we just removed.
If you enjoyed this particular video, you can support the channel by hitting the like button and also subscribing to the channel. Thank you for doing that.
So let's fix this particular arm axis on the Mini 5 Pro. So just fix it properly following the design, and then we're going to screw it back. And if you have a screwdriver that has a magnet, it will be better, but if you don't, it's fine. Now let's put this particular arm back. Just do it gently and then push it to make sure that everything is fixed properly. Then make sure that everything is tight, and now the drone arm is back. Let's also unfold the 2 arms and then unfold the entire arms for the drone to turn on automatically. And everything seems to be working fine, but we're not done yet because we need to do calibration. First is compass calibration. So I was doing the calibration inside, it wasn't working, so I had to go outside to finish up the calibration. Now it's successful. Next, we are going to do the IMU calibration. Once we are done with that, the next is gimbal calibration, and everything now has been done. So let's do a test flight, make sure that the drone works properly. And from what I can see here, the drone works perfectly fine, but just let me know in the comment section. Then we need to do return to home test because I need to make sure that the sensors also work properly, and the drone was able to locate the location that it's took off from. So I would say it works fine.
All right, so that's about it. If you enjoyed this particular video, please hit the subscribe button and also like this video so that algorithm can recommend it to more filmmakers like you and I. Stay safe, fly safe, and see you on the next one.